Back, and I got a new fidget spinner, but oh yeah, it's in my pocket. It's blue. It's glow in the dark. You just have to charge it in light. I might be giving away a fidget spinner, so like these my videos and subscribe and turn on notifications and go down in the links and below and type in fidget spinner and you'll be entered to win. Okay, so do that. Yeah, look who I got. See, he's a sweetie. Sorry guys, but yeah, this is my sweet cat. He's the sweetest. He's very sweet. He just likes to play a lot. Bye, kitty. And then there's another cat, but I don't know who she is. So, yeah. That's just my cat over there, and I don't know.
I think she might be because. Oh no, she's right here.
Oh, there she is. Yep. This is my other cat. Come here. I'm making a YouTube video. Sorry, guys. Just my. Well, all I can tell you about her, because I can't get her, is she has black fur, and she's very scared at the moment because we literally just got her. But yeah, yeah. Okay, well, yeah, he's just running around. Yeah. Go down, and I will share my brother's YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe his channel, and yeah, watch his videos, because he got some really cool videos. But yeah, so 1 second. Yeah.
We'll get Mom a plate with those garlic knots in the thing.
Okay. Yeah, we're cooking out right now, but I don't know. It's a chicken. I don't know where they are. That's just my brother watching videos. It's him. Oh, wait. Sorry. That's him watching videos. Yeah. I don't know where they are.
They're inside the toaster oven.
Oh, that's bread.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I can't get it. Okay, well, peace.